Hey guys, Mugen here. We discovered an awesome product for all you retro video game fans out there. Pixel Pals. Let's unbox a couple and see what they're about. First character we have is Luigi from Super Mario Brothers, and this is the 8-bit edition number 10. And you can even see that it has Nintendo's seal of approval. It has a little story in the back. You can read it from here, and they light up. Let's open it. These have the classic 8-bit look. As you can see, it's a really small light up that fits my little hand. And this is the battery compartment. And here's 2 batteries. 2 AAA batteries. As you can see right here, AAA, not AA. Snap that in, and voila, it lights up. They stand about 4.5 inches tall. And next we have Legend of Zelda's Link, and this is the 8-bit edition number 8. And again, Nintendo seal of approval. And we're gonna open it up. This also takes 2 AAA batteries. This is without the lights on. 2 AAA. Snap it in, turn it on, and voila! The last one we have is Megaman, and this is the 8-bit number 6 edition. Bam. I don't know his theme. We love the Pixel Pals and feel they are the next Funko Pops. These really complement modern setups with color LEDs. These are great to display with your video game collection, or even in your kids' room. They even look great on your computer desk. PDP's lineup is getting even bigger. They have characters from Mortal Kombat, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and even Ren and Stimpy. Do you have any Pixel Pals in your collection? If not, check out pdp.com to see their entire selection. Comment which ones you have below. My name is Mugen. You can find me on Instagram at xmugenyoruichix. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we release our next video. See you next time! Next one is The Legend of Zelda's Link. And this is 8-bit